Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to withdraw from PixelTap on Binance. So if you guys don't know, you can basically withdraw your coins, your rewards, your tokens from PixelTap anytime on Binance. There is even so many external wallets that you can use and withdraw your tokens. So I'm going to show you that right now. And remember, PixelTap does that in USDT. So you're going to click wallet. Yes, and as you can see, there is so many external wallets here that you can use and withdraw your coins from PixelTap, including OKX, OK Wallet, Bybit, HTX, KuCoin, and all that stuff. But for now, we are going to use Binance. All right. First of all, you are going to make sure you have a Binance account. So like you can see, if you don't have, please make sure you create one. Hope you guys know how to create a Binance account, but in case you don't have or you want to use other wallets, you can do that as well. So when you click on yes I have, you are going to see that it's going to ask you for your deposit of Binance deposit address. Okay, so let's real quick go to Binance to get the deposit address. Now when you come to Binance, you are going to click wallets, and when you click wallets, click deposit. You will see USDT. Search for USDT. So when you search for USDT, it's going to bring these Ton Coin, Solana, whatever. So we are looking for ERC20. Okay, Ethereum ERC20. So that is where we're going to get the deposit address. So quickly click on that. As you can see, our deposit address is here. So please copy that, and once you copy it, we are going to paste it back on PixelTap. The good thing about PixelTap, it didn't wait to list, you can withdraw anytime you want. So paste your deposit address and click medit. Yes, wait a few seconds. So guys, that is how you're going to add your Binance account to PixelTap. So as you can see, it has said your wallet is now connected. Now you can withdraw your tokens, your coins, or your rewards. Do not wait, because the good thing about PixelTap, it's you can withdraw anytime you want. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. And also, if you have other external wallets like Bybit, OKX, you can use those wallets to withdraw your coins from PixelTap. You don't have to use Binance. Okay, I'll also make a video about that. Let me know if you want to see. So I'll be definitely do that. Thank you so much for watching. So if you feel this video was helpful, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and also do not forget to ask any question. Thank you.